Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a GFX without Blender or any applications except Roblox. So, the first thing you're going to do is join this game. I'll have the link in the description below, and you're going to pick a pose you want. If you don't want a pose, just don't select one. So you select the pose you want, then you click. Your avatar will go into the pose, and then after that, you press photo mode, and then all you're going to do now is take a screenshot of. So you probably can't see me taking the screenshot right now, but I just took it. And once you take your screenshot, you're going to go to Google. Okay, now once you're in Google, go to this website called Photopea. If you can't find it, I'll have the description below. It's kind of like Photoshop, but everything is free. So all you do is just insert the image into Photopea, and then all you have to do is press select, magic cut, there. It might not completely do it, but you can just try pressing it again, and it'll clear anything that didn't get pressed. And you can just turn the brightness up and down to tweak with it. And that's basically it for today's video. If you enjoyed, join my Discord server and like and subscribe. And if you are feeling generous, please donate to my Gumroad store in the description below.